Welcome to this tutorial on how to automate workflows in Monday.com. Automating workflows is a powerful way to streamline your work processes, increase productivity and reduce manual labor. To get started, you need to have a Monday.com account and a board set up. A board is where you will create and manage your workflows. The first step in automating a workflow is to identify the tasks and processes you want to automate. Look for repetitive tasks, manual data entry, and tasks that require multiple approvals. Once you have identified the tasks you want to automate, create a new automation by clicking on the Automate button at the top right corner of your board. This will open the automation window where you can set up your automation. You can choose from a variety of triggers, such as when a new item is added or when a status changes. You can also choose from a variety of actions, such as sending a notification or creating a new task. For example, let's say you want to automate the process of assigning a task to a team member when a new item is added to your board. You would choose the trigger when a new item is added and the action assigned to a team member. You can also add conditions to your automation, such as only assigning the task to a team member if the item has a certain status or label. This allows you to create complex workflows that are tailored to your specific needs. Best practices for automating workflows in Monday.com include keeping your automations simple and focused on one task, testing your automations thoroughly to make sure they are working as expected, and documenting your automations so that others can understand how they work. By following these steps and best practices, you can create powerful automations that will streamline your workflows and increase productivity. Remember to always test your automations and monitor their performance to ensure they are working as expected. With Monday.com's automation features, you can automate a wide range of tasks and processes, from simple notifications to complex workflows.